So come winters and we all suffer from diseases like cold, cough and fever. So what are the best foods for this season or allergic tendencies if you develop? Just have chicken soup if you are non-vegetarian, else take tomato soup or any vegetable broth. So warm liquids are going to be easy and soft to digest, so you just and make sure that you stay hydrated and nourished also. And for your quick recovery, you can have herbal teas also. Ginger teas are also beneficial. It supports your immune system, and it is good to have ginger tea, which is again going to make sure that your immunity is good and your irritated throat gets some relief. And you can also have your other herbal teas if you prefer, that could also be taken. Avoid processed food as they lack the nutrients and your body needs food to recover, so prefer dark green leafy. If you like palak paneer, have it. If you like palak saag, then also you can take it. So it will make sure that you get sufficient vitamins and minerals as well. And citrus fruits definitely going to add up to the immunity, but if you have cough, then you can take once you recover. For more tips, stay connected.